Hello, hi everybody. A very warm welcome to Jewelry Live session. Hi everybody. We are back with another beautiful and most demanding awaited live show. So today's show is all about cocktail jewelry in 92.5 silver. This is the most awaited show and most demanding show. हेलो एवरीबॉडी, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम। आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है एक अ, एक और बहुत खूबसूरत सा और बहुत ही ज़्यादा डिमांड वाला शो है आज का, जो आप सब बहुत डिमांड कर रहे थे, काफ़ी समय से ऑर्डर्स दे रहे थे, बुकिंग के लिए वेट कर रहे थे। तो वो वाला शो है आज, कॉकटेल ज्वेलरी का शो है। कॉकटेल ज्वेलरी इन 92.5 सिल्वर। Just give me a moment. I'll just share the link with everybody so that everybody can join. How are you all? A very warm welcome. As you all can see today, and by my description, you can make out that today's show is all about cocktail jewelry, a most awaited show and a most demanding show. We have lots and lots of demand. You all keep asking for the cocktail jewelry, which gets sold out very soon. So we have restocked few designs, and I'll be telling you all the details regarding the show. So those who all can see, quickly join. So we have a WhatsApp channel, so you can join WhatsApp channel as well for your daily updates. And also you can join Instagram. We keep doing live there also. You can join there as well. Just give me few moments. Kindly share our live and also like our live so that it will give us some inspiration to do come live, and we put so much of effort to do live, so it will motivate us. Also comment and tell me if it is clear. Am I audible, and is the video is clear? So tell me about you all. You can comment and tell me. And also, if you want to ask anything, please comment and ask. Feel free to ask. So let me introduce myself. I am the founder of Aban Jewelry. We deal in 92.5 silver jewelry in all kind of jewelries like Victoria, Moissanite, Kundan, Nakash Kundan, Polki, CZs, 3D jewelry, cocktail, color stone, everything. We deal in almost everything. So if also you want to buy in wholesale, you can contact us. So we do provide in wholesale. And let me tell you the booking procedure. The booking procedure is you have to take the screenshot and you have to WhatsApp us for the booking, and you have to make the payment on online like bank transfer and Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm and all. There is no COD. There is no COD. Once you make the payment, we send it to you and you will get within a week max. And our pan India delivery is free. Out of India, international shipping will be charged. In India, it is free delivery. So welcome you all again. Hello Rama ma'am. Hello Kulya ma'am. A very warm welcome to our jewelry live session. If you are joining for the first time, thank you for joining. I'm just sharing the link yet. Today's show is all about cocktail jewelry. As you all can see, it's a cocktail jewelry show, a most awaited show and a most demanding show. Our reel have crossed more than 1 million of this necklace set which I am wearing, and it is liked by celebrities also. You can see the comment below our reel on our Instagram page, where you all know this Shalini Pasi celebrity. She also have commented for this necklace. So this is the very beautiful masterpiece which we are having, and we have lots and lots of inquiries for this, and we have been taking pre-order for this since now it's been more than 2-3 months. And for this necklace, who all have pre-ordered, for them we are giving delivery also. Now it is almost it's been ready. So the thing is that we cannot take lots of orders. We have tremendous number of orders and inquiries every day, and we have so much messages in our DM. Still we are not unable to revert them back because we have thousands of messages. Our team has been working every day. You can connect response that become more easy. So regarding this necklace, as you all are seeing, it's a masterpiece of cocktail design in diamond setting, 92.5 silver. So this is the necklace which I'm talking about, which is being loved by celebrities, and we have numbers and numbers of inquiries and orders. So this really take a very long time to make. Let me just show you from very close-up look. I hope it is very clear. I'm giving you all a very close-up look. Just have a look how stunning, how beautiful this masterpiece is. Just have a look. This is all this what you are seeing. White thing is CZ stone in diamond setting. CZ stones are in regular also, but these are like invisible stone. A diamond setting is done in this. You can see on the top a detailing of beautiful flower. In this, small beads are given. I hope you can see it. I hope you can see it clearly. Inside this, you can see the buds are given in bead style. Here again, you can see a melon, a peach color melon bead, and this is the peacock detailing. A flower is given. Coming down, you can see beautiful roses. See the roses, how stunning they are. The buds of the rose. Then again, you can see flower detailing, and here in the center, a stunning peacock detailing is given. Again in the center, flower detailing is given with the beads. Below also you can see flower. Continuing again with the same design here, flower and peacock, and same thing with all everything. Almost all the colors are covered: peach, green, pink, blue. Pastels also are given, and dark colors are also given with a beautiful fall of these bells. You can see CZ work is given with the beautiful pearls all over. This is a bell shape of hanging is given, which is giving a stunning look. And this is our showstopper, and this is our bestseller. We have lots and lots of orders and inquiries for this. Today I'm showing this because live we have been dispatching all the orders. That's why I thought before dispatching, let me just show you and give you a very close up look. Those who all keep asking about the size and all, so I thought I'll come live and I'll just show. So this is the masterpiece which we have in silver. These design are mostly you can see only in gold. Only we have come up in silver, giving you an exact gold finishing. The look, the polish, everything is just like gold. See from the back, ma'am, how beautiful it is. The polish is like 24 karat super premium gold polish. We have done 3 coats of polish in rhodium and gold and all. From back you can make out how stunning, how super premium the quality is. See the polish, it is just like the gold. No one can say like it is in silver. So it's a beautiful in this gold polish you will get nice shine. एक जो शाइन जो हमारे गोल्ड ज्वेलरी में होता है उस तरह का शाइन आपको इस पॉलिश में मिलेगा. लाइक सिल्वर पे भी गोल्ड पॉलिश होते हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी क्या होता है कि उसमें शाइन नहीं रहता है. इसमें खास करके बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा पॉलिश है कि जिसमें आपको शाइन बहुत खूबसूरत से दिखेगा और कहीं से भी ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि ये सिल्वर है. तो इस तरह से ये बनाया हुआ है. आई ट्राई टू शो यू फ्रॉम बैक कैमरा ऑल्सो, तो ताकि आप बहुत अच्छे से इसको और भी डिटेल में देख पाए बैक कैमरा से. तो ये है वो मास्टर पीस, वो स्टनर पीस जिसका हाँ लाइक वी हैव लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ ऑर्डर्स इन 92.5 सिल्वर. यही चीज गोल्ड में जब बन जाती है, आप सब जानते हो, अगर आप रेगुलरली गोल्ड ज्वेलरी बाई करते हो तो ये जाता है लाखों लाखों में जाता है. इट गोज टू लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज. So we have made this exact dupe copy of gold diamond necklace, and this has come out very beautifully. So this is the one. You can make out the size from which I am wearing. You can see the size how it is. Definitely you can carry it very beautifully on all your saris, lehengas and everything. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू शो यू दैट अगर आप इसको वेस्टर्न पे भी कैरी करते हैं तो भी बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है. अपने साड़ीज पे, लहंगा पे तो जाएगा ही जाएगा, कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. और अगर अगर आप वेस्टर्न पे कैरी करते हो तो उसके ऊपर भी बहुत खूबसूरत लगेगा, क्योंकि ये चीज़ ही ऐसी है, ये इसकी बनावट ही ऐसी है कि ये सबके साथ बहुत अच्छे से जाता है. और कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस भी ऐसे है कि इसमें सारे कलर्स आ गए हैं. तो एक बहुत ही स्टैंडर्ड पीस है और काफ़ी ज़्यादा बड़ा है, इतना बड़ा आएगा. अगर आप कोई ब्राइडल हो या कोई हैवी नेकलेस ढूंढ रहे हो, कोई ऐसा ओकेशन है आपके घर में, आपको हेवी नेकलेस ढूंढ रहे हो, आपकी कोई शादी है घर में या फिर घर की ओपनिंग सेरेमनी है या कुछ भी ऐसा है, तो उसके लिए ये बहुत ही सूटेबल रहेगा। बहुत ज़बरदस्त पीस है। और ये है उसके इयररिंग्स। इयररिंग्स ऐसे आएंगे, इट्स वेरी सेम लाइक द नेकलेस। as you can see in necklace also, a very beautiful peacock is given, and flower detailing of beads are given. The same thing is given in earring as well. Earring is this big and approx you can say 2 इंच, 2 इंच का ये इयरिंग आएगा, इस तरह से दिखेगा। ये है इसका इयरिंग। तो एक बहुत ही स्टनर पीस है, डिमांडिंग पीस है। और सबसे अच्छी बात, और सबसे मतलब अच्छी बात ये है कि जो हम लाखों रुपीस में मिलते हैं गोल्ड में, that you are getting in very minimal amount, that is nothing in front of gold jewelry, but you will be getting the same workmanship just like the gold in this as well. And coming to the reselling value and all, as it is pure silver, 92.5 silver, you will definitely get the resale value of the silver. And all our jewelry are hallmark passed, तो सबके ऊपर hallmark रहेगा ही प्योरिटी का। So and the concept of this is how it is, it is like you cannot consider it into a like value of सिल्वर और समथिंग लाइक दैट। सिल्वर में हमको क्या मिलेगा ये सोचने से ज्यादा हमको ये देखना है, ये जो डिजाइन है, ये जो बना है, इसमें जो बनावट है, इसका जो लेबर है, मेकिंग है, वही इतना हाई रहता है। सिल्वर का डेफिनेटली कॉस्ट आपको इतना नहीं लगेगा, लेकिन इसकी जो कारीगरी है, इसमें बनाने में जो मेहनत लगता है, टाइम लगता है, इसके जो हर छोटी छोटी बारीकी है जो बनता है, उसका ही कॉस्टिंग होता है। एग्रीड के सिल्वर इतना महंगा नहीं रहता है, लेकिन इसका बनावट जो है ना, जो इसमें काम लगता है, जो कारीगर जो ये बनाते हैं, उनका पूरा परिवार इसके ऊपर चलता है, उनके घर खर्चे इसमें से निकलते हैं। तो आप सोचिए, सिल्वर का कॉस्ट इतना नहीं है, लेकिन इसका जो मेकिंग होता है, लेबर होता है, वो हाई होता है, क्योंकि ये बनाने में इतना टाइम जाता है, मेहनत लगती है, इसमें हाथ का काम है, बहुत डिटेलिंग रहता है। 2.5 महीने से 3 महीने लग जाता है एक नेकलेस बनाने के लिए। तो आप सोचिए कि 2.5 महीना 3 महीना अगर कोई लेबर है जिसका घर इसके ऊपर चल रहा है, तो डेफिनेटली दे विल ऑल्सो कॉस्ट, दे विल ऑल्सो चार्ज मोर, एंड द वर्कमैनशिप इटसेल्फ इज सो हाई इन दिस। यही चीज अगर हम गोल्ड में लेते हैं तो उसका मेकिंग इतना रहता है कि इतना ज्यादा रहता है। आप सब जानते हो, आप सब रेगुलरली अगर ले रहे हो गोल्ड ज्वेलरी, तो आप सब जानते ही हो कि इन सब की कॉस्टिंग क्या रहती है, हाई रहता है। So in this, we cannot consider the value, resale value of the silver. Yes, definitely you will get 100% resale value. I'm not saying that you will not get, you will get. But what you have to look is that the making, the workmanship, what you are getting in silver, that is the big thing in this. And if you'll sell, what you will get, a minimum like थोड़े बहुत आपको मिल जाएंगे, लेकिन फिर से बाय करना होगा तो फिर आप कितना पे करेंगे वो आप सोचिए। उस तरह से देखना चाहिए इसको। और कमिंग टू द ड्यूरेबिलिटी, दिस इज अ सच पीस दैट ये हम कब पहनते हैं, कोई ओकेशन, खास ओकेशन होता है, डेफिनेटली तब पहनते हैं। कोई पूरा दिन हम कैरी नहीं करते, बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली हम नहीं पहनते। आराम से आप पहनो, पूरे दिन फंक्शन में पहनो, इसको अच्छे से रखो, पहनने के बाद थोड़ा एयर ड्राई कर दो, थोड़ा सा कॉटन लेके, अगर कोई स्वेट है तो उसको अच्छे से साफ करके अच्छे से पैक करके बॉक्स में रखिए। कोई वेलवेट बॉक्स में मत रखिए, जो बॉक्सेस हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं उसमें ही रखिए। सालों साल चलेगा, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है, कुछ भी होने वाला नहीं है। और अगर कुछ होता भी है तो कैसा होता है वो भी मैं आपको समझा देती हूँ। जैसे हम कोई नेकलेस है, जैसे ये मान लीजिए नेकलेस है, इसको हम बार बार ऐसे टेबल पे रखते हैं, या फिर जब हम वेयर करते हैं जहाँ हमारे स्किन में टच होता है, एक 10 बार, एक 15 बार ये पहनने के बाद हल्का सा यहाँ से, जहाँ हमारे स्किन को टच होता है या बॉक्स में टच होता है, वहां पे हल्का सा कहीं यहाँ पे एक हल्का सा थोड़ा सा फेड होता है। उसके अलावा ऐसा नहीं है कि पूरा चला ही जाएगा पॉलिश, पूरा काला पड़ जाएगा, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है। and also these are repolishable. उसके charges definitely लगते हैं. All these are like repolishable, so there is nothing to worry as such. So I would say it's a best deal you can make out of silver, like these jewelry. When we go to buy for like gold jewelry, same workmanship, same beauty you are getting in silver. That is the best thing. So that's why it is said that silver is a new gold nowadays, right? So I think I have cleared what all doubts you get mostly. So moving on to next piece. यही सारे क्वेरीज लोगों के रहते हैं, पूछते हैं हमको, जो भी फर्स्ट टाइम बाय कर रहे हैं सिल्वर ज्वेलरी या ये कॉकटेल ज्वेलरी है तो कैसा रहेगा. तो उस हिसाब से मैंने ये जितना पॉइंट्स में जो क्वेरीज आते हैं आई हैव ट्राई टू क्लियर इट आउट. एंड स्टिल इफ यू वांट टू नो एनीथिंग, प्लीज फील फ्री टू आस्क. Another beautiful design. Again, I am giving a very close up look. You all first see the design, then I will explain. A stunner piece again. बड़े नेकलेस का ये छोटा बच्चा है. वही कॉन्सेप्ट है, पीकॉक है, वही सारे बीज है, वही कलर है, बस साइज छोटा हो गया है. See how beautiful it is. You can see the peacock here. पीकॉक के फेदर ओपन है, यहाँ पे भी आप देख सकते हो. उसके अंदर ब्यूटीफुल एमेथिस्ट स्टोन्स है. In center also you can see the 3D peacock. See, this is 3D. I hope it is visible. हाँ, ये देखिए 3D का मतलब ये है कि आपको एकदम से ऐसे उठ के दिखेगा. बर्ड है तो उठ के दिखेगा, गणेश जी है, लक्ष्मी माता है, जो भी है आपको ऐसे लगेगा कि हाँ सच में इधर है बैठे हुए. That is 3D. So in the center you can see a nice 3D peacock, again followed with the all pastel colors of beads, pink, blue, green and peach. So it's a mini version of the big one. So those who don't want to go for the bigger size, those who have want to wear small size, जिसको छोटा size पसंद है, बहुत heavy नहीं पहनना है, या कोई ऐसा ओकेशन नहीं है कि भाई हम अभी बड़ा पहने, छोटा सा भी अच्छा है. जिसको छोटा लेना है वो इसमें जा सकते हैं. बड़े साइज का ही ये स्मॉल वर्जन है. कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कॉन्सेप्ट सब वही है, बड़ा पीकॉक जैसा, बस इसका साइज छोटा हो गया है. ये भी मैं आपको ऐसे रख के दिखाती हूँ साइज किस तरह आएगा. If you are liking our designs, please like and share our live with your friends and family. देखिए ये साइज आएगा. अगर आप छोटा साइज लेना चाहते हैं ये लुक रहेगा. दिस इज हाउ इट विल बी. दिस इज द लुक and it will look like this if you want to go for the smaller one. It's a very beautiful design. Again, very stunner piece. I'm wearing and showing so that you can get a clear picture of the size and everything, how it looks and what it is. And this also same concept, same polish in a premium, super premium gold polish it is. So for that necklace, this is the earring. These are the cute earrings. Like the necklace size are appropriate with the same peacock detailing, with the peach color flower is beads is given in the center, and on the top you can see the peacock. Size is this much, 1 inch or little smaller than 1 inch. Very cute little earring it is. So this is the second design. Then moving on with another beautiful design. I'll just remove this so that I can wear and show you all other designs also. Also one more thing I want to tell you all, announce that. So we have created another page. In this, there is some issue in the live. Whenever we do live, actually I'm not able to see that audience who have joined or what. So it does not show to me. I mean, it does not, it is not showing to us. For you it is visible. So I cannot connect with you very easily because it is not showing. So we have created another page. Please join that page. Next, I have again a stunner piece. Why it is stunner? I'll just show you. See the design. See the design. वाओ वाओ वाओ, एक जबरदस्त पीस है. फिर से बहुत ही सुंदर मास्टरपीस है. अगेन this design is again a replica of very famous jeweler. You might have seen, this is the ditto copy of that gold necklace from a very famous jeweler. They have been getting awards continuously from years for their designs, and so this is the replica of their design. See the masterpiece, see the color combination, pattern, shine, luster. This luster and shine what you are seeing is because of the cutting of the stone. As you can see in one leaf, the pattern, in the leaf pattern we have given emerald, in other it is ruby. But the stones are not like the regular what you get. These are flat stone, and the cutting of the stone is such that it shine like a diamond. Very beautiful flat stones these are. Upon that, this seasoned work is done very beautifully with zircon stone, very premium quality of zircon stones. And also beads are given alternatively. In the center what you are seeing, this one is carving stone. This is not black, it's a dark blue. Again a stunner piece, award winning design. Let me show you from back also. Again, see how beautiful the polish is. I hope you can see the polish and the shine and luster you can see from the back as well. See how stunning it is. All this is super premium 24 karat gold polish, just like gold jewelry. With the 3 polish, we have done 3 coats of the polish. So this is again a stunner piece. This is also like this is also already, this is sold out. As I said, we are dispatching all the designs today. So before dispatching, I just wanted to show you all live. You can take the screenshot to place the order. ये earrings आएंगे उसके साथ. See, in this you can make out it's a blue color, it's not black color. Same like the necklace, a very beautiful earrings. Again, same kind of leafy pattern in the center, ruby with the emeralds, and upon that nice caesar work is done. Zircons are used, beads are used. Up in the top you can see the carving stone, how beautiful it is. Very beautiful design. And the size is this much, not very big. Approx 1.5 inch. Very stunner design. And from the back you can see clip is given for the support, and Bombay screw is also given. So this is the size. Let me wear and show again this design also. That is the why I said this is the most awaited and demanding live show. Even this design is like this कि आप इसको tradition पे carry तो कर सकते ही. Then again western, on western also it will look very beautiful. Thank you, Mahavir sir. Yes, it's very beautiful. Thank you. Yes, it's beautiful. It's a stunner. We can't say that these are made in silver. These are like gold jewelry and looks and feels and give the look of real gold jewelry itself. As these are copy of real gold jewelry and also award winning designs. The design who have made this, they get award for the design every year. So it's a stunner piece. As you all can see, you can pair it up very beautifully with your saris, heavy saris, tissue saris, lehengas, everything. If you are a bride with your pastel colors of lehengas also, it will go very beautifully. And also you can carry this with the western dress as well. Western पे भी बहुत सुंदर लगेगा, लहंगे पे साड़ी पे तो बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. अगर आपके पास कोई हैवी साड़ी है, टिश्यू की है, सिल्क की है, उसके ऊपर तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. और कलर कॉम्बिनेशन भी पिंक एंड ग्रीन एक ऐसा कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है जो तो ज़्यादातर वो सब पे जाता ही है, क्योंकि ऐसे ही कलर्स रहते हैं सारी. और ग्रीन तो एक रॉयल्टी के लिए है ही. मैं हमेशा से कहती हूँ, ग्रीन कलर वेयर करने के लिए आपको कोई कलर को देखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. ग्रीन आप कभी भी कैरी करो, किसी के भी साथ कैरी करो, बहुत जबरदस्त लगता ही है, क्योंकि एमरॉल्ड्स आर फॉर रॉयल्टीज, यू नो दैट, राइट? So these are the earrings. See how stunning it is. The size is nice broad, more than 2 inch it is the necklace. Then it goes into narrow shape. Again, this is a nice beautiful necklace. If you want, you can wear it like this close or little down, or you can make it still more longer with the adjustment of the thread. Very stunning beautiful necklace again. What do you all say? If you're liking our design, please like and share our live with your friends and family. You can at least give one like, right? At least that much you can do for showing you such beautiful designs. You will not get anywhere such design in silver. Okay, moving on with another very beautiful design, but in a very minimal design. See, एक और डिजाइन आ रहा है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, लाइट वेट है, डेलिकेट है, सिंपल है, बहुत हैवी नहीं है. जिसको और भी सिंपल पहनना है वो इस डिजाइन के साथ जा सकते हैं. एक बहुत सुंदर सा सर्कुलर डिजाइन आ रहा है. Center, in the center you can see nice peach beads given. All these are beads what you're seeing. Then here tint of gray and blue color combination beads, again green, then peach. So these three color combination is given in the beads. I hope it is visible to you all. I'm giving a very close up look. बहुत सुंदर डिजाइन है. In the center you can see all zircons in all premium quality of zircons and CZ. So it is very minimal design. See, again I'll just show you. आपके पास अगर पेस्टल कलर की साड़ीज है, लेनिन की साड़ीज है, या फिर कोई ऐसा सूट है जो पेस्टल कलर पे है, या कोई ऐसा है, तो उसके ऊपर बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. You can wear this as choker also, and you can make it as necklace also, but if you wear it as choker, it will give nice look. Battery is low. Okay, I'll wrap up soon because battery is showing low. देखिए इस तरह से आएगा, बहुत ही like minimal design it is. See how beautiful it is. अगर किड्स के लिए लेना चाहते हो तो ले सकते हो, इस तरह से पहन सकते हो या इस तरह से भी पहन सकते हो. It's all up to you, how do you carry it. So again a very beautiful design. If you are looking for kids, you can go for it. Price of this set is 27,000. It's mentioned here on the tag, so I'm giving you the price. For all others, prices are not mentioned. You can WhatsApp us for the price. So with this necklace, these are the earring. With this, these are the earrings, same like the necklace. Very cute little danglers are given. Sorry, like this. So very appropriate with the necklace. So these are the earrings. Same from back, you will get same polish. And these are the earrings. So how was the show? If you are liking, please hit a like button and share with your friends and family. And also, as I said, we have created a new page. Kindly join the new page. Gradually, in time being, we will discontinue this page uh, because of some technical issue. So I wanted to show more designs, but my battery is showing low. So I'll wrap it up for here today. So thank you everybody for joining. Thank you everybody. Booking procedure is, you have to take the screenshot and you have to WhatsApp us. Um, that is how it is. So thank you. Thank you everybody for joining. Take care. Bye.